What's up? It's your favorite attorney, Attorney Ali Booker. Court is now in session. Now, you already know what this is. You send me your questions via email or otherwise. I bring you to the court of my public opinion. Although I'm an attorney, this is not going to be legal advice because you won't be suing me. So at the end of the day, without further ado, let's get this started. Calling court into session. They wrote me and they said, my child's father has not picked up the kids for summer break. What are my options? He does what he wants regardless if I've planned out something for the days my children were supposed to be with him or not. I have full custody and he gets a standard possession order. It seems like I can't stop him from doing this. He really does what he wants with no regard. I need help to find out what I can do about this. Well, let's bring it to the court of our public opinion. Court is now in session. Ma'am. At the end of the day, if he's not picking those children up the way that he should, you need to bring him back to court and ask for an increase in child support. Very simple. At the end of the day, court and the law allocates for child support to be a certain amount based on possession. And they're going to think that you're getting the child for your visitation. If a person does not ever exercise their visitation, then they need to pay more child support because the child's eating more of your food. You're having to pay for more daycare, babysitters, and you're having to do more on their time. So you're going to need to move for an increase, okay? In addition to that, there are a lot of narcissistic or allegedly narcissistic individuals who end up having kids with people. I can't say that this person is a narcissist, but I will say that this is what a lot of people that have personality disorders and whatnot behave like. And what they will do is, because you have taken them to court and put them on child support, they will not follow the order at all. They will come when they want, do what they want, pay how they want, pay who they want, go do everything they can to go around the order. So what you're going to need to do is find a lawyer and file an enforcement and file one fast. If he or she is showing up whenever his time is not supposed to be, or he's sending somebody to pick up his children, deny the visit, because at the end of the day, ma'am, you have to have a life, and your scheduling cannot be, based on when he feels like he's going to abide by the visitation order. And at the end of the day, if there is a parent that never does visitation, you go, again, you're going to go to increase that child support. When you modify that child support, the next thing you need to modify is the possession order. And what you need to do is, you need to let them know, I would take time from him. I would take time from him, number one, so that you can have a substantial change. I'd bump him down and tell the court to take him down to one time a month. Or, again, increase the child support, leave the child support the same, and then the next thing that I'm going to do to pop this gentleman is to put a provision that says if he's going to exercise, he has to notify me in advance. Because when you have those parents that don't exercise, popping up on you is hard because they never exercise. And then all of a sudden, here they go, showing up, and you have things planned, you already have a babysitter, or you guys aren't available because they never come on their weekends anyways. So that's a way to handle that. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me. I'd be more than happy to help you, but that's what I'm going to rule. I'm going to rule that you need to increase in child support, ma'am. I'm going to rule that you need to file an enforcement for all the times that he does what he wants to do against the order. And in addition to that, I'm going to rule that you need to modify that child support possession order, and it needs to say that if he's going to exercise, he needs to let you know, or the alternative is, if he's not going to exercise, he needs to let you know. And then you need to move all of the communication to a court-ordered website. That way it's tracked. You can give a judge the login, and they can see how many times he did or didn't tell you that he was going to come, didn't show up, etc. All right, next case. Whip him in the shade, because it'll never get good until you whip him in the shade.
Sitting here behind these walls, think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225 or visit the website at bookerlawfirm.com.